Welcome to AST 1002 Laboratory. I am Eric Christensen, your professor. I'm going to guide you through this 16 weeks where we're going to take a look at, we're going to explore in more greater detail a topic each week that comes up in the AST 1002. Most of you are taking that course at the same time, and this will really help you, I think, make things come together and you'll understand something, but we will go deeper than what you learn in the class. So there's no real textbook. Just use the same website, which is listed on your syllabus for the online textbook, should you need it. But each lab sort of stands by itself. The goal for the key for this is each week there's a lab and then there's a solution sheet, and you need to print out the solution sheet. You can print out the lab if you want, but you might as well. It's easier just to read it online. Also, there are usually some active hyperlinks in it, so having it online would be of greater value. Okay, I would strongly recommend that you print out your syllabus. If it's nothing, at least the last page, which I'm showing you right here, where you can go week by week and just go across this way. It tells you what to do. So I'm going to just sort of highlight some of the key things that we're going to do during this course. So there are 14 labs. We'll drop a couple at the end in case you have problems with them. Now, one big thing we found from last year was that students had difficulty with some of the math. So I've tried to minimize that. I will add supplemental stuff and it will help you if you have trouble. But you really have to have taken introductory algebra. What do we call, let me get the right name of it. College algebra, MAC 1106. If you have not taken that class, you shouldn't take this lab at this time. Okay, so each week there's a lab. You have until Tuesday to finish it. So you have Tuesday to Tuesday is when the class runs. Okay, there will be 3 exams. They'll each cover about 5 labs. Let me see here. There is an astronomy picture of the day discussion. You can do that anytime you want. You can read more about that online and also in the syllabus. Okay, so and there is a Dropbox for each lab. So students usually ask me, how do I get it into there? Well, there's a couple ways. When you print out the solution sheet, you can just hand write onto it. Then you can scan it if you have a scanner, submit that. Perfect. If not, you could take a photo and then submit it. Just be sure that the pictures are in the right format, okay? So I don't have to turn my head. I want to be able to read them as they go. There is some guidance in the lab for how to label multiple files. If you don't merge them all into a single file, please label them in a standardized format so it's easy for me to figure out what you're doing. If for some reason you missed the deadline, you can submit them in the late folder. Each lab has its own late folder at the bottom of that page. Okay? Let me look here. That's really the essence of this class. If you attend one of the star parties, which they are listed in the online and also in your syllabus, you will earn extra credit points. If you're both in the class and this lab, you'll earn extra credit points for both classes. So, I think that's about all I have. If you've got questions or comments, feel free to email me or call me. Let me know. The first week is using a planisphere, and I'll have a little segment on how to do that. Okay, I'm signing off. So good luck, and I look forward to meeting you during the course.